Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we will learn how to change the margin of the page in MS Word in easiest way. For that purpose, for example, I have some kind of written documents about heat, so I will change its page margin. So for that purpose, we should need to go to the tab layout tab. Like this is the layout. Here you can see, after clicking layout we have number of uh, tabs like margin, orientation, size and columns. So we want to change its margins. Margin means that the boundaries around the written document. Okay, means we want to change the margin. So for that purpose we will click on that margin. When I will click on margin, I can change its margin, which is the normal size. So I want to change it into the moderate size, so I will click it here. As you can see that the boundaries are changed from before. So if you want to change the margin in another way, like this way, so we can change it in this way too. But if you want to change margin according to yourself, so we can customize margins in MS Word in easiest way. After clicking margin, you should need to go to the custom margins. Here you can see there is a tool open and you can change. For example, I want top of the page as 1.5. so by clicking here we can change its size from the top, and I want it on like 2, so I change it to, and from the bottom I want it also to. Okay, so by clicking here we can change the size of the page or the size of the margins. Okay, I change it into the 2, and I want left side as 2.2 and right side is also 2.2. So by clicking it as whole document and by OK, it will changes. Like here is the 2.2 margin. Okay, and it is also 2.2 as I changed. So this is the easiest way to change the margins of the page, like from the top or the bottom. So if you have any kind of query, then mention in the comments, or if you like the video and you understand the topic, must like, share and subscribe to my video and channel. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.